Where are your cars, Sam? How'd they get under the bed? How'd they get under the bed? Will Daddy get them for you?
Yes, 1 second.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, where's your cars?
So what would you want to get from this place?
Where are your cars, Sam?
Go.
Where'd they go?
Go.
They're gone.
Go.
The cars. But they're under the bed.
They are there.
How'd they get under the bed?
They are there, Sam. Put them away, Sam. We need a long stick.
Uh-oh.
We need a stick, yes. Well, I'll show it. You go on your tummy. In your tummy.
Uh-oh.
Okay, onto your tummy. Go flat. Go flat on the tummy. Lie flat. And push your arms out.
No, Adam. He's gonna freak
I
out.
tried this once before. You didn't like it. Did you have a boo-boo?
Daddy will kiss your boo-boo.
Uh-oh.
We need a long stick, though.
Uh-oh.
To get the broom, maybe.
Okay.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Yes. You filming us?